How to create a simple product on Support My Local. What is a simple product? A product is something you want to sell, such as a jar of jam, some salami, or a homemade blanket. Products can be either simple, for example, a blue blanket, or variable, for example, the blankets come in red, blue, or green. This video is how to make a simple product. How do you make a simple product? First, log into your dashboard and then click the tab on the side labelled Products. That will take you to this page. Then you click the Add New button in the top right hand corner. As you can see here, product creation defaults to simple, so you don't need to do anything. The first thing you do is name the product, such as cherry jam or blue blanket. Remember, this video is for simple products. If you want to make a variable product, please watch that video after finishing this one. Next, you add the price. The price is in pounds, so if you just type in 5, then it will sell for £5. If you type in 5.62, it will cost £5.62. Scroll down the page to the short description. Here, input 1 or 2 sentences about the key points of the product. For example, a delicious cherry jam or a blue blanket made from alpaca wool. This will be displayed at the top of the product page next to the images. Scroll down some more to get to the main image. Here you can input all the details of your product, such as materials or ingredients, history, and awards. Once this is written, scroll back up to the top of the page. Now we want to choose the main product image, which will be visible from your store's front page. Click the larger image box. As normal, choose an image from your computer and upload the file. If you wish to reuse an image you uploaded previously, then click the tab next to it which says Media Library. Once you have done that, the image will appear in the box, so you can check that you chose the right one. Now we want to update the gallery. The gallery contains all pictures related to the product except the main product image. Again, upload an image by clicking on the smaller box. If you want to add another, then click the small plus sign under the smaller image. Do this until you have all the images that you need. You can choose the order that the images that you uploaded to the gallery go in by simply pulling them into the order you want with your mouse. The second image on the list becomes the fade image. As you can see, when you mouse over the product in the shop, the second image will show. Back to the dashboard. Below the images is a list of categories. Scroll through until you can see the category which best describes your product. If there is nothing suitable, then you can add a new category by pressing the Add Category button below the list. Scroll down again to the list of brands. The first time you make a product, you will need to click the Add Brand button and input the name of your store. After the first time, you can simply select from the list. Tagging is beyond the scope of this video. Scroll down again to the second section of this page. You are in the Inventory tab by default. If you have an SKU number, then you can input it here. If you don't know what that is, then don't worry about it at this point. Stock can be managed in 2 different ways. You can manually set the stock status to either in stock or out of stock, or you can get the website to manage your stock dynamically. To manage stock dynamically, click the Manage Stock checkbox. Then type in how much stock you have. For example, if you have 5 jars of cherry jam, then input the number 5. Then there is the option to allow back orders. It is a drop-down list and you can choose whether to allow back orders as you like for each product. Now click the next tab down, Shipping. If you wish to ship by courier, the weight of each item must be inputted. The box is in kilograms. My fictional product weighs 200 grams, so I put in 0.2. Now click the next tab down, Attributes. This is primarily of use for variable products, but is useful for inputting your allergens if you have any. Otherwise, you may ignore this tab. If you wish to input allergens or something similar, then click the yellow Add Attribute button. Then input the name of your attribute, i.e. allergens, and add the variables separated by vertical lines. You can find the vertical line character by pressing both the Shift and the button to the left of the Z key. Finally, scroll down to the bottom and click the Submit button. This has now published your product to your main shop page. If you wish to see your product, click the View button, which will appear next to the Submit button. It will take you to your shop. As you can see, your shop shows all of the details you just inputted, including your product name, descriptions, price, and images. To see your allergens, click the next tab next to the Descriptions tab at number 3. Congratulations on creating your first simple product.